Welcome and welcome back to Friday with Friends. If you haven't been to our Friends Before Me, please look down below in the description. And don't forget, Nate Bright is next. There's warmth and joy that never ends between the hearts of special friends. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I had a great day so far today. I just got home from Dr. Phil, and it was an exhilarating double show. One of those shows aired yesterday, Thursday, October 6th. Right now, I'm going to mix up some marbling liquid, and I'm going to use my magic medium. And I just want to fill up this little container here. And this container takes 4 cups of water, and I'm going to mix 2 at a time because that's a great way to mix it up, because it makes it much easier to mix this in 2 cups. This way it doesn't go all over the place. And here is looking for my mixing spoons, and it's 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon per cup, per 2 cups rather. I use my handy dandy little mixer. Sorry about that, could not find the top to this, but I'm gonna push that together, and this is how I like to do it. Push that all the way down. That looks nice and mixed to me. As you can see, there's no lumps or anything in there. Be right back with 2 more cups of water. And I was fortunate enough to get tickets for the new Jennifer Hudson show. And as you can see above here, John and I had a great time, and we actually were on today. So if you look at the Jennifer Hudson show from today, we were on her right side in the 3rd row. So look for us. And I'm gonna let that just sit there, and I'm just gonna cover it. And this week we're gonna dip some wooden ornaments. And then at the ends, we're going to paint them with some Wink of Stella, and then make a card.
Come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. Makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder. Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. And you'll be enough if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
So in between the drying time, I did put some spray varnish on these, and then I decided I needed to do a little something extra. So I took out my Wink of Stella pens, and I decided to sparkle some things up. And then I got a phone call, and this one is called Crystal. And I don't know if you can see this. Can you see that shine? And I use that on each and every one of these. Can you see that? All right, so look at that. So I didn't use it on this side. I just used it on little spots. I'm going to give you a little demonstration because I did have a phone call. I do apologize because I cannot remember the name of these pens. There's no brand name on them, and I probably bought these about 5-6 years ago. I bought them in a bundle, so I have no clue what the name of them is.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kind of awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh.
I'm sorry, I'm so out of frame. I can't believe I did that. Embossing powder, made by Ranger. And that doesn't get wasted. That goes right back into the jar. Don't you love to watch embossing? To me, it's pure magic. Look at that. So that concludes today's marbling session and card making session. And I think the next time I may throw some resin on top of those wooden pieces to brighten it up just a little more. This was an absolutely great day. And don't forget to go to Nate Bright next. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye now. Friday with Friends. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. Thank you for coming and be safe out there.